So with the stock market, expect negative months for August and possibly even September as well too. But I honestly believe that the negative month through August, September, maybe even into October are going to be a really big push for probably going to be October, November, December. It's probably going to be a very good, strong finish to the end of the year. So that's what's probably going to happen right now when it comes to the stock market. We're looking at the gold and silver as well too, but looking at the actual stock market here, okay? A stock market. Look what's happened here. And something I was talking about with my coaching clients today is if we just look at the way those markets operate, okay, one of the biggest mistakes I'm seeing right now is that a lot of people are inserting but and then they insert that, right? Gold's going up because central banks are buying, John. Don't you understand? And therefore they will go down the narrative of probably buying gold, and then they're left holding the bags for the last 3 months, hoping gold's going to eventually break out. Please break out. Right? But as you know, market goes through swings, right? Market goes through. So we are getting ready for quite a negative time in the stock market. Okay, so it's probably going to we're probably going to get a nice good 10% drop, but this is the S&P 500. Okay? No, the trend is not over. Okay? And expect this. Possibly a 10% drop in the stock market. That's likely to come. When that happens, insert fear and greed index. Real, like we're talking like the fear and greed index, like really like extreme fear. Right, here we go, right? When that also happens, expect the media to start to say, that's it, the top's in, recession's going to start, and it's all over, and you better hold on to your undies. To that effect. Right? So that's what's probably going to come. But on the flip side of what I just said there, what I do see happening right now is that this is nothing but just a nice cooling off period. It is due for this. The market is like an energy source. So if we have just spent all this energy going up and up and up and up and up, we will go through one of these possibly down and down and down, and then come into the fourth quarter of this year and we see another up and up and up and up and up, right? So expect a little bit of a cooling off period. So if you're looking to go long right now, it's probably one of the worst ideas you can even think about, going long right now. Yeah, so we can see that through there. So we can see this market. This is what I see coming in the actual stock market right now, guys. And then I ultimately have a 7,500 target. Now, bear in mind this, guys, okay? Bear in mind. There has been a lot of chatter about how can the market keep going up if Warren Buffett sold? Right. Okay, so Warren Buffett definitely knows what's going to come next, right? He definitely knows where the top's in, right? Like, that's it. And did Warren Buffett sell everything? Interesting, right? Interesting. So maybe he's on a lot of cash, yes. But you do realize Mr. Buffett has been in a lot of cash for quite some time now. But if that's the case, and he's been in cash for quite some time now, not just this year, but for many years, how come the stock market is rallying? So insert but Warren Buffett, push that aside. Insert market. Oh, now we're getting somewhere. Oh, Mr. Market. There we go. But David Hunter said the melt-up has started, John. So you don't understand. I listened to David Hunter, and he said the melt-up has started right now. I've got to buy call options because I'm going to miss out. Okay. Insert but. And one of the things that I've learned, guys, and this is only for about 2% of you guys who actually get this, it doesn't matter what, insert but. Insert government, insert Jerome Powell, insert Trump, insert, Elon Musk eventually, takes the first person to Mars and they're over in Mars right now starting to build the cities. Insert but. All I say is this. There is no buts. There is market go up for a bit and then market go down for a bit and market go up for a bit and market go down for a bit and market go up for a bit and then market go down for a bit and then the market go up for a bit and then we go down for a bit. and then the market go up for a bit, maybe even a little bit more than just a bit, and then away we go. So market does do market does do this, okay? So what you want to do is when you trade in those markets, and 95% of you guys have, right? Just look at what the market does, right? It's very simple. It's a very simple concept. Insert but. Who cares about but? Look at look at the facts. Look at the market. What does the market do? Does the market just go straight up? No. Eventually we go through this period through here and so on and so forth, right? So market will, right, have these pullbacks because that's what market do. Look at the entire history, all right? .com boom, .com bust, boom, prior to 08, crash in 08, boom, into where we are right now, right? So I want you to not go down the narrative of but, and then insert that person, right? And that's what it's like market can't go down if they're increasing M2 supply. Newsflash, they've been increasing M2 supply since 2008. Why have we look at the facts, not your opinion or insert but? This is a fact. Market has had plenty of times when it's gone down. But how come the market's gone down when the M2's been so increasing since 2008? It's skyrocketing. Even back in COVID, right? M2 big move to the upside, big boom in COVID, right? Here we go. How come we had a 1 year of a down market through here? Oh, because that's what market do. Market do that. So you can insert whatever you want to insert, and that's going to lead you down the wrong path. The wrong thinking, the wrong action, it's going to cause you to lose money. But if you stand back and you say, you know what? Yes, look at the market. What is it? What do market do? Market go up and market have pullback. Market go up, market go sideways. Market go up, market have pullback. We go through this. This is called a very good bull market, right? But John, you don't understand. David Hunter said it's multi-up, and the M2 money supply is increasing, so it's not going to go down. And then there's another comment that says, well, how can the market keep going up if Warren Buffett sold? And there's all, right? Again, you can, 20 years trading, you guys. 20 years trading, myself, 20 years. You can go down the path of making life difficult for yourself, right? Now, the question I've got to ask you is this. How are you trading the market? Let's just say your comment was, market can't keep going up because Warren Buffett has just sold. Cool. Okay, awesome. Really? Oh, amazing. And let's just say you shorted the market right now. Like, oh, Warren Buffett knows what's coming. I'm going to short the market. And you short the market right now. Let's just say you did that. And that was your thesis. And that was your analysis. And you shorted the markets. In the next 2 months, you made $1 million shorting the markets. You are an absolute legend. You are a really successful trader. You've got this nailed down. You know exactly what you're doing. Now just repeat that process for the rest of your life, and you're never going to have to worry about money ever again. Exactly. That's what trading successfully is all about. Not some gimmick of like, I'm going to trade the market now like this, and then tomorrow like this, and tomorrow, like, no. Professionals have a process. The same way I trade to this day is the same way last year, and the year before, and the year before, and the year before, and next year, and the year after that, and the year after. That's the same process, the same patterns, the same setups. Same. Right? So that's the whole thing about you guys. Now, unfortunately, when you do go down the path of, I'm shorting the market because Warren Buffett's not in it anymore, or I'm going long because David Hunter said the bull market started and the M2 money supply, so I'm going to go long, and you jump in and the market does keep going up, you are an absolute legend. Guess what's coming next year? You're going to lose all that anyway. Why? Because you are the man, right? Or the woman. You made all this money and you are an absolute legend, right? That's not long-term success. No. Why? This year you make $1 million. Next year you lose it all. Good job. And then you're back to square one. What the hell is going on? I have no idea what I'm doing. And then you go down the path, right? So, because market do what market do, and that is swinging up and down, up and down, up and down. Look at the chart. Not me. No, talky. Look at the chart. What do chart do? Chart do. That's right. Chart go up and down, 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 up and down. Chart don't just go straight up. Okay. Well, we've been going straight up now for a long time. Okay. Well, we're probably going to go down a bit because it goes up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down. Okay. That's what market do. The end. Keep it that simple. Right? Now, if you want to factor in some macroeconomics from there, don't do it to yourself. Okay? Just don't do it to yourself. So that's what's happening right now. So expect a pretty bearish time in the S&P 500. Quick little update on silver and gold. We are still holding above here, this level through here. We're in a bit of a trend line here. Again, we may actually see a bit more weakness coming out of silver soon. And then it may completely, and who knows, this could be the top in silver, and we possibly could see if we start to break down, this could possibly be the top in the markets, and we actually see a really big drop to the downside. So that's actually what could possibly be setting up right now as well too, because and the same with gold, right? Gold could be getting ready for a big drop as well too. So for anyone that's in silver right now, yes, we've been in a nice big bull market, but what's happening right now is we're failing, right? We're failing a lot up here, and so therefore any more weakness, and this actually could be the top, and then therefore this whole big thing could be a one big massive false sucker breakout in the market. So there we go, traders. Hope this helps you out. Traders, grab access to that free trading course. First link in the description. Or if you want to get access to more of my 1% group, where you're with me every day for a couple of hours and you're part of a real small group, just over 10 people, then there's that link in the description. You can go apply for that. And you and I personally will have a chat on the phone, and we'll go from there, see if I can help you out. Speak to you soon, guys.